What's the meaning of bottomless? Bottomless. Bottomless.
Bottomless. Bottomless. The term bottomless typically refers to the absence of a bottom or end, which may indicate that something is limitless or infinite in some way. It can be used to describe physical objects such as pits or lakes, or abstract concepts like hunger or desire. For example, a bottomless pit suggests a deep and endless hole, while bottomless hunger implies an insatiable appetite. Overall, the term bottomless indicates a lack of constraints or limits, which can be both liberating and potentially dangerous if left unchecked.